Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. For today, I have 1 and 1/2 cup of vanilla ice cream, or you can put as much as you can, 3/4 cup of milk, and 5 Oreo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Oreo, that's all we need. And our Oreo creamy milkshake is here. It's very quick, very simple, and very delicious. So, our creamy Oreo milkshake is here. And cheers to a yummy drink. For the topping, it is optional if you want it. So, I use Hershey chocolate on top and a whipped cream. And that's it. Alright, thank you so much guys. I really appreciate for the support of my channel, and check our shout out channel. You will learn a lot: cooking, fashion, traveling, and many more. Thank you guys.